Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to return Temu items. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Temu app. Now before beginning, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind is refund policy and the Temu seller policy as well. Once you have done that, or once you have inside your Temu interface, tap on the U icon on the bottom middle of the screen, and once you tap on it, here you'll be seeing your profile page. Simply tap on your orders option, and once you're inside here, all your orders will be listed right here. As I haven't ordered anything, there is nothing to show, but if you have ordered, your all orders will be listed right here. Now in order to return items, what you need to do is simply select the item that you want to return and then tap on the option that says return order. And once you have tapped on that, follow the process that the Temu asks for completing the return process. And once you have done with that, that's basically how you can return items on Temu. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.